Hi, this is Laura, and this video today is going to talk about long vowel words that follow the consonant, vowel, consonant, E pattern. This video will only cover the vowel sound A. If you have not watched the first long vowel sounds video, click the link below and watch it first. So first we're going to do a quick review of the short vowel sounds of words that follow the consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. If you haven't watched this video about short vowels, do that now. The link is below. So we're going to look at short vowel sounds of these words. The first word is B-A-T, and because it follows the pattern of consonant, vowel, consonant, the letter A is pronounced with the short vowel sound A. Bat. The next word is N-E-T, which also follows the consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. And so the vowel, the letter E, is the short sound, net. P-I-G, consonant, vowel, consonant. The letter I is going to be the short vowel sound, I, pig. And this word, M-O-P, consonant, vowel, consonant. The vowel, the letter O, is going to be the short vowel sound, ah, mop. And this word, S-U-N, consonant, vowel, consonant, and this is going to be a short vowel sound, sun. So remember, when you have a consonant, vowel, consonant, the vowel is usually the short vowel sound. So now let's look at words using the long vowel, and they are going to follow this pattern: consonant, vowel, consonant, followed by the letter E. And this video is only going to cover the letter A. Let's look at this word: consonant, vowel, consonant. So because it follows this pattern, this is the short vowel sound, A, can. But if we add an E to the end, consonant, vowel, consonant, E, the letter A becomes the long vowel sound, A. So this word is cane. Cane. The old man walks with a cane. So now we're going to practice. I want you to get a piece of paper or a notebook and a pencil or a pen and write the numbers 1 through 8 on your page. And we are going to practice words that follow the consonant, vowel, consonant, E sound. Press pause and then start it back up when you get your paper. I hope you're ready and you have your paper numbered 1, 2, 3, all the way through 8. You're going to listen to me say the following pairs of words. I want you to write one word that has the long A sound. So you will look at the words and write only one word that has the long A sound. Number 1, cape, cap. Which word has the long A sound? Remember, long A sound follows the pattern consonant, vowel, consonant, the letter E. So is it cape, cap? Number 2, write the word that has the long A sound. Pan or pain? Pan, pain. Number 3, made, mad. Made, mad. Number 4, tape, tap. Tape, tap. Number 5, mat, mate. Mat, mate. Number 6, gape, gap. Gape, gap. Number 7, fad, fade. Fad, fade. And number 8, fate, fat. Fate, fat. I will read through them one more time. Number 1, cape, cap. Number 2, pan, pain. Number 3, made, mad. Number 4, tape, tap. Number 5, mat, mate. Number 6, gape, gap. Number 7, fad, fade. Number 8, fate, fat. Some more practice. So I want you again to write the numbers 1 through 8 on your paper and then press pause and then play when you're ready for the next activity. This activity is a little different. You're going to listen to the following words and I will show you them. And then you are going to write if the A is a long A or a short A. So you're going to either write long or short. Number 1, bag. Bag. Is it a long A or a short A? Number 2, face. Face. Long A or short A? Number 3, rake. Rake. Is it a long A or is it a short A? Number 4, can. Can. Number 5, take. Take. Number 6, hat. Hat. Number 7, tap. Tap. And number 8, race. Race. I will read through them one more time. Number 1, bag. 2, face. 3, rake. 4, can. 5, take. 6, hat. 7, tap. 8, race. And I'm going to have you listen to some words. Press play when you are ready. Now you're going to listen to me say words. They will all be the long A sound. So they are going to follow the pattern consonant, vowel, consonant with the letter E at the end. So write the word you hear. Number 1, male, male. And remember, these are all the vowel A. Male. Number 2, cake, cake. Number 3, lane, lane. Number 4, race, race. Number 5, rage, rage. Number 6, wade, wade. Number 7, gate, gate. Number 8, rake, rake. If you need to listen to the words again, you can press pause